The shortage of medications, especially shortage of generic medication in the market, is severe as it has never been.
There are patients going to the counters and they are not having prescriptions filled, and it's having, a devastating effect on individuals.
More often, pharmacists have to scramble and spend a great deal of precious time finding where is some source of supply somewhere. These are things that are not supposed to happen. So we have to change a lot of the ways that we do things so that we can be more effective.
One of the ways we're increasing our capacity is by the construction of this new state-of-the-art, high-potent facility. It is approximately a $50 million investment. So this facility is going to be fully automated. The processes should be much faster. It's capable of manufacturing about 1 billion tablets per year, and will add approximately 20% capacity to the plant. In the main plant at Stouffville, we've been actually moving some of our US production out of this facility, freeing up capacity for Canadian products.
If the needs of a customer change very rapidly, you have a long supply chain behind it. So what we are working on are aimed at making that supply chain shorter.
We have put in place a brand new customer service team to increase the service level and to reduce the cycle time.
We're talking about our internal cycle time to convert raw materials to a finished product that we can sell to a customer. The objective is if we can turn it around within 3 to 4 weeks, there should be no interruption to supply to the end patient, because there's usually about 3 to 4 weeks of stock within the supply chain through to the pharmacy. Collaborations needed to shorten our cycle time.
We created multidisciplinary teams. These teams are production, QA, QC, supply chain, everybody that needs to be involved.
And having those individuals have a view of the entire cycle time from beginning to end.
We've utilized the knowledge of our operators, of our supervisors, of our engineers, and our production management team to improve the flow of the product through the plant.
So we've improved our cycle times as much as 30% in some areas. In some areas, we've improved almost 100%.
We have weekly meetings with key customers, and what we've seen recently is significant improvements that are visible to them at pharmacy level and at retail level.
The most important thing we're doing is trying to understand what our customers' needs are.
We're trying to understand changes in demand prior to them happening and anticipating them.
One of the biggest challenges that we have is the market is very tumultuous. The only way that we solve the problem is if we combine our knowledge with that of our customers.
We understand and can see changes in demand as quickly as possible.
Getting that data from our customers is crucial for us to plan, but also to share that down the supply chain with the raw material suppliers so that we have materials available that we can support the Canadian market.
The best device for human beings to collaborate and to share their knowledge is virtual collaboration, social networking. And soon we'll be introducing initiatives to create open collaborative networks with our customers. And so if suddenly there's a pharmacy somewhere in the country that ran out of a particular medication, we can find out that this is occurring at the same time as the pharmacists do, at the same time that the head offices do, the distributors do, we do, our suppliers do, and everybody multiplies their skills to resolve that problem. Traditional chains, even chains supported by emails and telephones, can possibly compete with the speed of an open collaborative environment. Not even close.
The more we can collaborate and integrate ourselves with our key customers, the closer we are to the issues that they're having and work with our customers to really solve those issues.
The greatest beneficiary of the whole thing is going to be the patient.
People need to get their drug on time.
The right product at the right quantity at the right time.
This is the #1 priority.
We're committed.
There are patients that depend on us and us alone.
To have product on the shelf for the patient when they need it.
And we want to sustain that and maintain that, not just for this year, but forever.